Hello, friends. Thanks for joining us. I'm Elizabeth Vowell. My partner Greg is off tonight. We start with the WAFB team. Imagine spending 20 hours in jail for a crime you didn't commit. That's exactly what happened to an 18-year-old in New Roads this week. It's the latest problem for the New Roads Police Department, which has come under intense scrutiny recently for an officer-involved shooting and other investigation gaffes. Our chief investigator, Chris Nakamoto, spoke to the teen and his lawyer. It's another I-Team exclusive. Chris.
Good evening, Liz. The teen is trying to figure out how this happened after he was accused of having a stolen gun. His lawyer says the officer ran the patent number and not the serial number, which said the gun was stolen. Tonight, an investigation is underway by the city to find out exactly what went wrong, leading to a 20-hour jailhouse stay on bad charges. 18-year-old Maddox Livingston has never been in trouble with the law before, but that changed in a dramatic fashion Tuesday night when he was cuffed and hauled to jail for a crime officers accused him of committing.
Pulled over the other night for a burnt headlight and no license plate lights.
Maddox says he informed them that he had a weapon in his truck, and that's where his nightmare began.
Ran the patent number that ended up coming back as stolen out of Florida. Put me in handcuffs, had my heart racing.
Booked, fingerprinted, and facing felony charges, Maddox says his family was able to produce documentation that the gun the New Roads Police Department thought was stolen was actually legal, something he says he tried telling them over and over.
You can call my father. You can call the FFL dealer. It will be proved in 5 minutes. I could be walking home, going to sleep in my bed tonight. They kept saying, oh, we don't want to hear it.
When the district attorney's office caught wind of what unfolded, it refused the charges, issuing this letter to the warden at the jail, calling for Maddox's immediate release.
Specifically with respect to New Roads Police Department, if I were the mayor and I were on the city council, I would abolish it.
Attorney Rob Marino is now representing Maddox Livingston. His familiarity with the New Roads Police Department runs deep. In 5 short months, he's represented 2 different clients who claim they've been wronged by that department's officers.
Units, when you approach, I don't need sirens. Don't want to start them.
The I-Team first to obtain exclusive body camera footage of one of their officers shooting the son of an Iberville Parish elected official while he was having a mental health crisis last year.
Hey, I need you to put that down. Put it down.
That man, John Sexton, was shot multiple times and criminally charged, but a grand jury reviewing the case found Sexton committed no crimes.
Drop it, let us help him. Drop the knife.
This week, the officer who shot Sexton, John Chambliss, tendered his resignation via text message. The I-Team first to report the same officer, John Chambliss, worked for 11 different departments in recent years, some of them more than twice.
He's been involved in at least 2 shootings that I know of. That guy will show up a year from now on somebody else's police force.
Officials in New Roads say Chambliss's resignation had nothing to do with Maddox's gun case, and the New Roads Police Department got even more bad news this week. One of their officers, Quincy Lathers, was arrested on felony drug charges by the East Baton Rouge Parish Sheriff's Office. Marino says Lathers was one of the officers on scene this week when his client was arrested and jailed when they accused him of having a stolen gun. Tonight, we've learned a review and retraining are planned in New Roads to straighten out what's been going on there.
And this poor kid, if he goes and applies for a plant job in the future, he goes and applies to be a FBI agent in the future, he's going to have to answer for this for the rest of his life.
For Maddox, after having no criminal record, trust in a system meant to serve and protect the community he lives in has now morphed to fear.
I want the community to come along again and to get back in line to what we should be.
Now, the mayor of New Roads appoints the police chief there. The mayor did issue the following statement today. Quote, to hear that someone was unnecessarily detained is extremely troubling. The police department is investigating to determine exactly what happened. Procedural adjustments may be made depending on their findings. For the WAFB team, I'm Chris Nakamoto. Liz?
Chris, thank you. Today